Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we are looking at the HUMMER H2 and how to jumpstart the HUMMER in case your batteries are dead. Obviously my HUMMER doesn't have a dead battery, so I am essentially going to just show you guys what you can do and how to properly jumpstart your HUMMER H2 in case your battery were to go dead. So first of all, I start with my heavy duty jumper cables here. Make sure you have, turn this off real quick. Turn off the headlights. So make sure you have a very heavy duty gauge cable. Some of the ones you can get from the big box stores like Walmart are not of very good quality. Those might be good for a lawnmower or a motorcycle, but with a big V8 engine you need a lot of cranking power to go through that cable, so get good cables. The next thing you have to be aware of is the HUMMER H2 has side post batteries. That's what it takes, so it's very difficult to actually hook up to the terminals of the battery, and in fact it is not recommended to hook up to the terminals of the battery. I tried it when I bought the HUMMER. It was dead and it would not even start. I thought my problem lay somewhere else, and just fortuitously I changed the battery and the HUMMER started right up. So don't attempt to jump a HUMMER using the battery terminals. It probably will not work if your battery is dead. So I'll open up the Camry and hook up the battery the proper way. So I have everything in place. That's how you should have everything set up. The positive, you open up the little case, you hook it up there. The ground, which is the negative, you have that post there which is marked GND ground, and on the car you are going to jump, the car you're going to use the battery to jump the HUMMER, you have the positive and negative connected correctly. Then you start up the car and then you can actually start your HUMMER. So that's the proper way to jump start a HUMMER H2, and I believe this also applies to the Tahoes and Suburbans. So take a good look. You ground close to the alternator, you open the little box, and you have the positive right there. Thanks for watching. So once you get your HUMMER running, then you can proceed to close that box and then close your hood. Oh, by the way, when I did the little repair last time, I ended up with this cable just hanging free. It looks like a ground cable, but I'm not sure exactly where I disconnected this cable from. If anybody has an idea, please let me know. It goes on this harness. I don't know if it's the auxiliary light, but yeah, I just have this. It looks very much like a ground connector. So let me know in the comment section, please. Okay, let's go ahead and close this. Is that close? No. There. And we can close this other one. Perfect. So that's about it. That's how you jump start your HUMMER H2 properly. Let's get inside and go for a quick spin. Still haven't done any work on the interior, so it still looks like crap. Let's get this started. Alright, looks awesome.